Hello, it is Bryn with Addicted to Cricut. Today I thought I would show you how to use your transfer tape. I'm doing a sign that I'm actually going to put right on my wall. And so here's a piece of transfer tape that I've actually used several times before. This kind of tape you can use over and over again. Actually, you buy it in a pretty big roll, and I don't really think it was that much. And the name of this, put my old lady glasses on, is Aura tape, adhesion tape, in M as in Michael, T as in Timothy, 80P. So hopefully you can find that. I'm pretty sure I got that on Expressions vinyl. I will put a link to this in the video. So here's my sign. It keeps curling up on me, and that's why I've got that down there. Still curling up. So I'm going to take the backing off of here, put that aside, and hopefully this is going to cover this whole thing. And I am just going to lay it down, just like that. Nothing fancy. And I am going to get my handy dandy little squeegee tool, which, there it is, buried. And I'm going to run this across it. Basically what we're trying to do is transfer the letters from the white paper to the transfer tape. And so we're going to try and give it a little bit of help with that. A lot of people use rollers, and I have the roller too, and I do use it on some projects, but this one is a pretty easy project. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. So I'm going to turn it over. I don't know why I turned it over, because I'm not going to turn it over. And I'm going to start, actually I do usually turn it over. I do it this way. And usually it comes off really, really easy. Now if it doesn't, if it starts giving me trouble like right here, I'll just come back over and rub it with my finger, or get my little tool and rub it a little more. And I'm just careful to watch each letter and each dot of the I, and make sure it comes off. There you go. Now this is ready for me to put it on my wall. And it's not going to be a difficult thing at all. So that's how easy it is to use transfer tape. Now some projects are going to be a little bit harder than others, depending on how intricate it is. But it's really just this easy. You just need to work a little bit harder if there's parts, you know, really intricate parts. But that's it. I think you can do this. Go forward and have a happy crafting day.